In terms of exterior appearance, the Audi A5L continues the appearance of European models in most of its design. Features such as matrix LED headlights, octagonal air intake grille, digital OLED taillights extending towards the rear are exactly the same as foreign models. However, changes have been made to the front and rear bumpers of the vehicle. A wider guide groove for the front face and an upper grille surround for the rear bumper have been provided, increasing the sense of integration between the front and rear horizontal structures and increasing the visual width. Among these, dual laser radars have been added to the front face guide groove, and the semi-closed inner metal spoiler has increased the visual tension here. At the same time, when viewed from the side and rear, thanks to the length, width and height of 4908/1860/1442 mm and the wheelbase of 2969 mm, we can not only feel the elongation of the Audi A5L, but also see the more layered lower environment at the rear of the vehicle. In addition, the digital OLED taillights continue to be the most striking design. They can provide 8 dynamic digital signatures and use different lighting methods to obtain interactive reminders outside the vehicle. In the interior, the Audi A5L actually does not have as many surprises as its exterior. The 4-spoke round steering wheel was not taken from the S-line, but an 11.9 plus 14.5-inch curved dual screen compatible with foreign models was used at the front and supported by the HUD head-up display system. On the co-pilot side, there is an independent 10.9-inch touch entertainment screen with an anti-peep design that will not disturb the main driver. At the same time, the vehicle, which uses an electronic shift gear to optimize the space, has a wireless charging plate, air conditioning touch strip and thin air outlets at the front and top respectively. In addition, there is a multimedia control button for quick use on the side close to the co-pilot. At the same time, the seats are produced using Dynamica microfiber velvet plus Valcona leather in the vehicle, and there will be heating/ventilation/massage functions in the front rows. Compared to the sport support of SAIC Audi, more importance will be given to breathability and comfort in the FAW Audi version. However, since the angle and support design of the rear seats in the vehicle has been strengthened, the middle seat has more protrusion, making it more suitable for short-term trips, while the backrest can be folded to provide a multifunctional armrest for the second row. As for other decorations, the vehicle's breathing atmosphere lights will provide pleasant lighting by interacting with multiple systems in the vehicle. Wood-textured panels will be added to the door panel decoration structure, and the soft package coverage area will be significantly expanded compared to the current Audi A4L. In addition, the 9-piece roof window on the roof will provide better heat insulation and UV insulation to the vehicle thanks to its dimmable feature. In terms of assisted driving, the vehicle will be equipped with 33 detection equipment, including dual laser radars on the front face, to support smart vehicle use. Equipped with the Huawei Qiankuan combined driving assistance system, the vehicle will complete the assisted driving coverage for highways, urban elevated roads and urban roads, and will make driving and parking more comfortable by performing advanced functions such as memory parking assistance. In terms of power, the Audi A5L is equipped with a combination of the 5th generation E88 engine and a 7-speed S-tronic transmission. In the published version, the 2.0 TFSI engine offers 2 settings, 125 kilowatts and 150 kilowatts. The second is compatible with the overseas version and can be supported by the Quattro intelligent 4-wheel drive system. At the same time, thanks to the 48V mild hybrid system consisting of P0 plus P3 dual motors, the PTG integrated into the transmission position can independently provide 18 kilowatts and 230 Nm power output. In addition to participating in continuous start-stop, air conditioning operation and other connections, it can also support pure electric driving at speeds below 25 km per hour, improve performance response and optimize fuel economy. In the chassis section of the vehicle, the front and rear axles have a 5-arm independent suspension system. The front axle is Audi's classic fully detached double wishbone axle and is connected to each other with a double ball joint structure to further increase the flexibility of the front wheels. In addition, the new CDC electromagnetic suspension supports 3-mode progressive steering technology. Although the suspension generally has a sporty bent, the FAW Audi version will focus more on comfort.